Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Philippines. Welcome back to my channel. Again, this video is for my students in AC63 at Central Mindanao University. So, if you have come to visit this page, uh, you may watch, but disclaimer lang po, we are from Mindanao, so I'll be speaking a mixture of Bisaya, English, and Tagalog. So if di mo maintindihan, okay lang din, you can ask for translation. Okay, so this is a continuation of our previous video, a change in accounting policy. Okay, so sa previous nato na video, gi-ignore nato ang income tax, no? Gi-ignore nato ang tax consideration. Era dire nara o. But this time, ato na siyang tagagibog aton. And our assumption for our tax rate is 40%. Dito sa Philippines, ano ba? Di ko lang. 30% ba? I'm not sure. Anyway. Okay. So, this is still a change in accounting policy. So, we have here Jubel Company change from the cost recovery. Bantay niya from the cost recovery. By the way, ang detailed jud ng cost recovery o percentage of completion is gutan nato na siya dito nun sa accounting for special transaction. So, si Jubel, nag-change siya from cost recovery to percentage of completion method. And then, for tax purposes, ang ginagamit is cost recovery method ang ginagamit ni Jubel is cost recovery method. Then, this approach, kaning cost recovery mo ni siyang gamiton hangtod pa sa future for tax purposes lang. So, maski pa mag-change siya to percentage of completion, magpabiling gyapon ang iyahang cost recovery for tax purposes. So, we have here the pre-tax income from the percentage of using under the percentage of completion and the cost recovery, and nandito na rin yung difference, no? Okay, so gikan siya din niya mo ni iyang starting point. Now for 20, ang pangutana din ni sa letter A is pila daw ang net income. Ay dali naman kay pag-compute sa net income, di ba? Nya kay percentage of completion naman ng iyang gigamit, 980,000 mo ni siya imong or balinta. Income before tax. Ka-record ni. Income before tax. Okay, nagilinya, wait lang gyapon. Ted lang ha. Pasensya na kayo. Income before tax. Ayan. So, pila man atong income before tax. Under the percentage of completion, our income before tax for 2019 is 900,000. Okay, pila man atong income tax? Siyempre, 900,000 times 40%. That is equal to 360,000. So, naatay bilin nga. Ayun na po kunin nyo ipasolve, ana. Kadi na ko nakabalo. 540,000. This is our net income under the percentage of completion for 2019. Net income. Okay. Sunod niya nga pa. Ay, by the way, before we proceed to letter B, unsa atong entry aning atong income tax do? Review lang sa inyo hang accounting for income tax. So, debit ka og income tax expense, syempre. 360,000. Kaya muna itong income tax expense. Then, credit din ta og tanaw na to, mas dako man ang atong accounting base kaysa ato ang kaning atong accounting income versus sa ato ang tax, no? Sa tax na to. Okay. So, na siya difference sa 420,000. So, ato lang siya i-multiply of 40%. 420,000 times 0.4, that is 168,000. Ayan. So, credit ta og deferred Deferred tax liability. 168,000. Dayon, credit, income tax, payable. O, pag-review lang na sa inyong accounting for income tax. So, this is not part of our discussion. 360 minus 168. That is 192,000. Okay. Now, let's proceed to letter B. Dili na siya appeal, ha? Wala na siya ilabot. Okay. What entry or entries are entries necessary to adjust the accounting records for the change in accounting policy? Now, since this is a change in accounting policy, dapat retro ang ato ang application. Okay. So, sa 2018, which is before 2019, ang ginagamit niya is cost recovery. Dabi kay, mag-change man siya to percentage of completion, o na difference nga 250,000, no? Pre-tax na siya. So, unsa man, ni gamay siya or ni dako? Yes, ni dako. So, unsa man atong debit, ana? Sa klasa, accounting for long-term construction contracts, pag naagani profit sa imuhang imuhang contract, imo na siyang siyempre, nana siya entry. Debit na nimo siya sa cost of construction, then mag-credit din ka og construction revenue, then mag-debit ka og construction in progress. So, ang revenue nimo mas dako magana siya dinhi kaysa imuhang cost of construction. So, kumbaga ang profit nimo dito na siya nakabutang. Ay, ma'am, maglibog ka siya. But anyway, ang sa imong construction, ang construction in progress dili na siya profit gyud ha. Pero kaning profit nga naa sa imong revenue nakabutang, dito na siya nimo ibutang sa imong construction in progress para madugang na siya dito. Ma'am, libog kayo. Sige lang. Maabot ra mo din ha. Ako nang taga-ang overview kay nga naman di nga nang madugang man siya dito because your construction in progress, pag profitable lang gid ang imong construction, kabalo lang gid sa outcome, and if you are using percentage of completion, ang imong na-recognize nga construction revenue must also be equal to your construction in progress. Kumbaga, ang imong construction in progress, equal po na siya sa imong construction revenues. Inana siya, picture out lang ninyo. So, maunang kung naay difference sa imong cost recovery method o sa imong percentage of completion, na difference, nag-change yung accounting policy, ang maitabo, imo na siyang i-debit sa construction in progress. Kaya nga no, mas dako man siya. So, madugang na siya sa imong asset actually. Damo dako pod ang imong retained earnings because previously it was not credited to construction revenue, di ba? So kay pass naman to siya, dito na to sa retained earnings. So for letter B, your entry would be a debit to construction in progress. Okay. Amounting to 250,000. 250,000. And then, syempre, kay pabilin man ta sa cost recovery method, so naatay deferred tax liability. Mga tungha man na siya, tungod kay nag-change ta og method. Dayon, credit or retained earnings. Pila man natong i-credit sa deferred tax liability? Siyempre, 40% lang sa difference. So, 250,000 times 0.4, this is 100,000, and the balance for retained earnings, which is 60% of 250,000. So, a total of 150,000. Okay. So, that ends our discussion. If you have any question, feel free to ask sa messenger. Ang maula mo, pwede rin ninyo i-PM. Excuse me. Or, pwede po ninyo i-send dito sa ato ang tawag i-send ninyo dito sa Facebook group na to. Okay? So, that is the end of our illustration for the changes in accounting policy. Thank you so much for listening. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and click like if you like. So, for our next video, we'll be discussing about error, no? Prior period error, error analysis, anything about errors. Okay, thanks so much for listening. Bye for now.